Hello, people. So I have to say this, that like of late now, I mean, Deepika Padukone's Chhapak is about to release, and she's been doing this whole series of interviews. And in one of the interviews, she says that for her final look, when with like she had to play a victim of an acid attack. So when her makeup got done, she had Meghna Gulzar, the director, next to her. And she says that Deepika Padukone says that when she saw herself in the mirror, she just told Meghna Gulzar, the director, that they've put all of this, the like she's a acid victim in the movie, but she feels just the same. So so that's when apparently Meghna Gulzar said, "That's it. That's what we want to convey to the audience. That something like beauty, or it's just so external, and it's really, in the end, it's about how beautiful your spirit is. The human spirit. So see, I'm getting emotional making this video, but I think I but honestly, I think to be able to even watch such a movie, you need to be brave. So I'm going to like try and muster all my courage and go and watch the movie. I mean, so Chhapak by from the Deepika Padukone, hats off, yeah, it's a salute. I mean, actually, when I've been reading her interviews, I've understood why Deepika Padukone has become the female superstar that she is, because in the end it's about your thoughts, about if you have the right thought process, you're sure to propel yourself to, like, the greatest heights possible. So thank you, Deepika Padukone and Meghna Gulzar, the team, for for this movie Chhapak. I think it's a very brave film. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.